Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 29 of Estate Planning TV. I'm your host, Christopher Small. I don't know if I just said that or not. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and this is the internet's most passionate show about estate planning. So welcome. I'm happy to have you here, and I believe this is probably the first video that we're doing of 2018. So I wanted to take this time to sort of get a little off topic, a little off track of where we usually would go in regards to estate planning, and I kind of wanted to take a minute to talk bigger picture. You know, at the end of the every year, we tend to kind of look back, and then at the beginning of each new year, we're super excited. We're ready to kind of get going, to tackle the year, to take on the world, to do great things. And I want to make sure that you have every opportunity to actually do the things that you say you want to do, because it's important to me. Your success is important to me. So I wanted to kind of share a little bit about the things that, kind of some tactics, some strategies that I use to kind of get these things done. And you know, I think it's kind of interesting. You know, a lot of people come into my office, and one of the first things I always want to know is, you know, like, what does your perfect life look like? If everything goes right, if everything works out, if everything, all of your plans come together, you know, what does that life look like? And it's kind of interesting because a lot of people, they have a hard time explaining what that looks like. And I think, you know, when it comes down to it, we're often kind of scared to really open up and admit what we really want and think about where we really want to go and what we would really want to do if everything worked out, because we're scared of being judged by other people, which is, we should stop doing that. We should stop judging, and we should stop being afraid. But B, you know, we're kind of afraid to put things out there because, you know, what if we don't get to where we want to go? What if we don't achieve those goals? What if we don't do those things? But, you know, if you don't know where you want to go, if you don't have that end in mind, then it's really impossible to know if you're going in the right direction. And that is one of the things that I try to do every year at least, and I usually do this even more often, is I really think about, what's my end goal look like? What's my big picture look like? If everything worked out, where do I want to live? You know, what do I want my kids to be doing? You know, like, how does all of this work out? And once you get that, A, it makes it really easy to get up and go to work in the morning. But B, then you can kind of plan, and you can even back it into, what do you want to be doing in 2018 to try to get to your big goal? So that's sort of the first thing with how to make 2018 your best year ever. Once you do that, once you come up with something big, let's say it's something like, I want to visit Paris. Okay, Paris is my favorite city in the world. I want to visit Paris this year. The next thing to do is sort of back that up, right? Okay, I'm going to need some, if you work for somebody, you need some time off. We're going to need some money to travel, right? We're going to need passports. We're going to need a plan, probably, an itinerary. And what I typically do then is just back up that whole thing into sort of quarterly and then monthly and then weekly goals, so that I know every day I'm getting a little bit closer to my big goal for the year. And you know, to continue with this travel example, you may say, like, okay, it's going to cost me $10,000 to travel the way I want, to do the things that I want, to eat the things that I want, right? All these things. And then you can break that down. You can say, okay, there's, you know, 300 days, and I want to go in March 2019, right? But I want to have this all locked up by the end of the year. You may say, like, okay, I have 365 days. I need $10,000. That's like $30 a day, right? When you break it down like that, it gets a little easier. And then you'll know, okay, well, I need to have my plane tickets booked by September. I need to have my passport by October. And then that way, each day, you know you have what you have to do. When you have that opportunity to make a couple extra bucks, maybe you put it towards the trip, you know, all these things. So, like I said, I really just wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you about this, to let you know it's okay to dream big, to let you know that it's okay to want things, even if other people think they're stupid. I want you to go after those things. I want you to achieve those things. I want you to experience those things. I want you to live the life that you deserve to live. All right? That's it. So that's my wish for you for 2018. I have my own big goals. I'm really excited to start pursuing them. And one of them is to keep the show up every week, to give you the best information possible, to help you, protect your family, eliminate estate taxes, protect yourself, make more money, right? Live the life that you want. So on that note, I'll say goodbye. Again, if I didn't say this yet, but as always, I guess, if you ever want to talk to me, you can email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. You can call me, 206-659-1512. You can send me a letter. Address is on the website. You can respond. You can reply. You can leave me a comment. If you think someone else would like this video, please share it. Let them see it. All right. Take care. Have a great 2018, and I'll talk to you again next week.